great grandma inspired half of my outfit, and so this is her shirt, and it it's one shirt, but it looks like it's two. And then most grandmas are religious because that's kind of that century. So I'm wearing my little cross necklace. And then grandmas usually wear curlers in their hair because that's kind of old fashioned. So I got some curlers in my hair, and then a hairnet to keep them all safe during the night. And then I got some glasses, but I have 20/20 vision, so I don't need them.
I love that I can dress up like with literally whatever, and people won't question it. They just like see it and they laugh and they enjoy it as much as I do. So it's a lot of fun.
I just think it's really fun to be able to get a chance to wear like kind of dorky outfits that I feel like you'd never get to wear on a normal day. Like, when is another time that you're going to be able to wear a sheet to school and have it be okay?
So I'm wearing a black long sleeve shirt, some black leggings, some white Vans, and then on my shirt, it's just a nightline shirt and it has gold glitter on it. Well, it's a little chilly outside today, so that's why I'm wearing these leggings. And then, I don't know, I just really like this shirt.
My favorite thing about school is just like being able to dress up and like make your own style at school, like not in a not normal way. Honestly, it was like 2 days before I was like, I need to do something that has red and it's like kind of my culture. So I was like, this is just Komodo. I'm going to use that and then buy the hat from like Party City.